And now, finally, we have something amazing. We can put all of the code we've written so far together. By layering the functions we have written, we can write coordinating functions or little robots. Once we've written functions with instructions on how to do things, then we can create functions that execute those instructions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this introduction to data science. Analytical thinking combined with hard data can help you convey your messages to your audience about what you're demonstrating. Labeling any figures to help guide your audience can avoid confusion. Python gives you wings, but remember to stay grounded. Try to break down your tasks by writing functions and following the PEP8 style guidelines and being precise in your definitions. You'll thank yourself later. For example, say you want to filter by brand name for one report, but in the next you need a filter by material. By having one function that filters the string type fields, it allows you to pass in different arguments depending on your search criteria, which can mean that you avoid repeating yourself with the tasks and just pass in the arguments for different strings. Everything we've covered in this course will be easier to code with the pandas library as it contains built-in functions. Now that you understand the concepts, you're ready to try out pandas and more advanced features of Matplotlib. Now that you've finished this course, here are some projects you can try. You can download more recent data from ShopSense. You can create more reports with the updated data. And you can compare the reports from 2 different time periods to see if the tie prices have changed. Go out, have fun, and enjoy the fruits of your labor.